here's how to change your Facebook profile name. So go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now open your Account Center. From this page, tap on Profiles, then tap on your Facebook account and tap on Name. Now simply remove the previous name and add a new one that you want to use. Then after, tap on Review Change option in the bottom that is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Note that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. You can't change it again for 60 days. You need to wait for 60 days to change it again. And also don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, and cactus or random words. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.